everyone. Today's episode we're going to be talking about helium mining. If you're interested in helium mining and you want to know if it's profitable for you, then go ahead and subscribe this channel and smash the like button. Let's get started. In simple terms, helium aims to work with people-powered network. Now what it is that Helium partners with different companies who require data services for battery-operated devices, such as mobility tracking, asset tracking that prevents theft, pet collar with a GPS tracking, and many more. So these data services require huge cell towers, as AT&T, that cost millions and millions of dollars. So instead, what Helium Network has come up with is it allows people or miners to buy these hotspots, and in return they get a reward of HNT coins, that is the cryptocurrency of helium mining. Coming to the technology of helium. Helium works on a proof of coverage. Helium miners are going to do different jobs which is done automatically. So basically what it does is it bounces back signals to each other to confirm that there is a network and the work is done optimally. Now the next question is that how much power does this take? A hotspot miner takes about 5 watts of energy, which is equivalent to a single light bulb. The amount consumed is negligible. So as we can see here, there are about 46,425 hotspots already taken in this world, and so much data has been already spent. Now there was a question that arises, where can the two hotspots be placed in the same house? The answer to that question is no, because it must be a minimum of 300 meters distance apart to communicate the best. Now, let's talk about the types of hotspots that you can use. Now, Helium Network has already partnered with various manufacturers and vendors to provide these devices to approve for helium mining, and that's Nebra, Bobcat, Rock, and Syncrobit. There isn't much of a difference, although the indoor and the outdoor just has a box that is weatherproof, and the Bobcat miner has a 4.1 dB antenna including with the purchase in the device. The Rock hotspot miner is one of the oldest and it's most reliable. Syncrobit has its own dashboard apart from the Helium app that we use. Although all have the same profitable features, there isn't much of a difference if you buy one over the other, except Bobcat miner is one of my favorite because it comes with an antenna which is 4.1 dB. So moving on to the next question, will it be profitable? We're going to look at the map first to look where are the miners, or considering the factors that how many hotspots are near me or how many do I have to purchase to become profitable. So as you can see, I've entered my location here, and I do have within about 900, I'd say within a mile, I have one person who is running a hotspot. Let's click on and see how much this person has been earning. According to this, the person's just making about $40, which isn't much profitable. Although if you would want to set up something in such isolated locations, it's best recommended to take 2 hotspots and place it across 300 meters distance apart for best communication. Take into consideration, the more the miners, the market is more saturated, and rewards for these may decrease over time, but in my personal opinion, the value of tokens may increase. I hope I've answered all your questions regarding HNT and Helium Network. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. And as you all know, Bobcat miner is one of my favorite, and I've placed my order. It would take a couple of weeks to arrive, although I will keep you guys updated. All the websites that I've spoken about in this video has been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you. Talk to you soon.